Viewers, welcome back to my another lecture number 13, and here's my channel. I'm a graphic designer. My name is Jamal. The channel name is Graphicsers. You can find me on Google by just typing GRAFIXERS, and here you will get my details. Now coming back to the lecture, here we will start a new artboard. Here are my presets that is available on the newer version of Adobe Illustrator Creative Cloud. So I'm selecting the 1000 into 1000 pixel, create. Today we will talk about free transform tool. The width tool has to be discussed before this transform tool, but this tool is related to this one. So these are all about reshaping or scaling. So I'm making a shape now, coming to the point straight and recoloring it to black. And now if I select this free transform tool, I can see 4 different options. The first one is Constrain. That means that performs the same function as holding the shift key. If you hold the shift key or if you let it go. So the constraint function is like a button. You switch it on, you switch it off. And the other 3 functions are the tools. So you can see that these 2 are related to each other. This one doesn't have this button, and the third one has it again. So I'm going to do a free transformation of this object. I've clicked this one, and now I can go to any of the point and rescale, or I'm free to transform it to any other shape. I can rotate it, I can scale it up and down. You can see that it's like I'm not holding the shift key, okay? So it's going to left and right, up and down. It's not maintaining its sides. So if I go and just click on this button to constrain, and now if I come to rescale it, so you can see I'm moving my cursor, but still the box is in its own shape. It's not leaving its properties. So this is same like holding the shift key. The next thing is perspective distort. So this is something where I will need a straight square, and now I'm going back to the free transform tool and then selecting the perspective distort. So if I select any of the corner, I can distort it on the x-axis or on the y-axis. See, if I want to make this shape, I can do this with perspective distort, or I can move it along the x-axis or y-axis, and then I can move it to x-axis, and then the lower part, and then here you can just reshape your object as you need it. The third one on the list is free distort. In the free distort, you can just go and select any of the corner and only can move that corner. So you have the ability to move any single corner in there. So I've selected this one. The button for the constraint is switched off, so it means we can freely move anything. So I'm clicking over here, and it's not going further from the midpoint. So I can freely distort any shape or any corner. So here, if you want to make some plain like floor, so you can make floor like this, or if you want to make some anything else with the distort in a perspective view, you can make with these tools. And if I go back and make one square and use the button for constraining the sides, so now you will see that it is going on the x-axis or the y-axis, and if I switch it off, we can take it both at the same time on both axes. If I click it again, I will only be able to move it along x-axis or y-axis. So this is the difference between this button if it's switched on or switched off. So these are the three tools. Yes, they are related to scaling, shear and reshape. So I thought to discuss these two all together. So lecture 12 was about these scaling tools, and lecture 13 is about free transformation tool. So I hope this has been informative for you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.